Hello, hello, hello. New bike day. San Marco, Super 6 Evo, size 48. But with battle cage, power meter, Jura is. Of course, wow. Absolute. Oversized pulley, galper rotors, Jura is caliper. And it is with the heavy wheels. Panaracer, of course, it's Panaracer tire, no? Without titaniums, no? Without titaniums. Okay. Look, okay. We'll check ano ang maging output nito. Okay, bro? Can you... Whoa. Size 48. Still heavy, bro. At least 5 something, bro, no? One more thing, no? Okay. Shit. This is shit bike, bro. Ihang mo daw, bro, sa saddle, bro. Last. Okay. Same weight. 6.59. Wow. Oh, what is the chain? KMC. Jura is? Yeah, Jura is YBN chain and Jura is cassette. Wow, amazing, eh? Garmin mount, whole build.